Hello friends, welcome to the VLOOKUP tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how we can use the VLOOKUP functionality in the Microsoft Excel and what are the common error causes of it. So I have taken the sales data, sample sales data, which contains the product names, quantity of sale, total quantity of sale, purchase price per unit, selling price per unit, and the net profit after the deducting purchase cost from the sale cost. So here the list of products. Now if I want the only net profit of a particular product, and if I give the product name, I should get the net profit of that product in the B under the net profit column. So uh, let's start to write the VLOOKUP formula. Press equal to and write VLOOKUP. The IntelliSense will give you the lookup formula. Just press tab, which actually completes the VLOOKUP function and give you the parameter names. Now there are one, two, three, four parameters, out of which VLOOKUP means the value which you are going to search in the table. So I am going to search the product name. So I give the address of the product name sale. Now the second parameter is the table array. So the table array is the table in which we are going to search the product name. So I am going to select this table, press shift and select the entire column, entire table, which gives you the address of A3 to E7. So this is our table which contains the product names and their sales data with the net profit. So press F4 to make it absolute array, absolute values, address values. So when we press F4, it append the dollar sign against the address bar address. So the next parameter that we need to provide is the column index in num. This is the value which we are going to retrieve from the table based on the product name. So we are going to retrieve the net profit. So net profit, we have to give the column index of the net profit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The fifth column is the net profit. So I press write down here fifth. Then we have to uh, provide the parameter whether we are going to give the approximate match or we are going to search with the exact match. So we have to give here false so that the value product name will be net profit will be retrieved based on the product name with the exact match. So I give right here false and close the bracket and press enter. So if you see, we are getting the net profit of a DNG's t-shirt. So net profit is the 20,000. So we got the correct value over here. So if I want uh, the Raymond other product names, so for example this I want. If I press here and just press Control and D, which copies the upper formula in the below cell, or you can drag the formula in the below cell like this. So we got the human t-shirts, that is 1 lakh. So I just drag this formula till 3 4 lines over here. As of now there is no product name present, there is no product name given, that's why the value is showing as a NA. So if I say jockey pant, if I write jockey pants and press enter, still I am not getting the value. It's just because I have given the one extra space bar over here, and we have given the exact match. That's why it is not searching the exact value in the product table, sales data table, and because of that the sales net profit of a jockey pant is not coming in the below net profits. So if I remove this space bar, and it exactly match the jockey pants and it gives the value. So if I want a Zodak tag shirts, it gives me the value being human t-shirt, sorry, not Raymond. See, Raymond t-shirts is not searching because Raymond t-shirt is not present, but the name Raymond shirts are there. So if I give the shirts, so we got a 1 lakh over here. So exact match value will be searched in the sales data, and accordingly we get the value of that particular product in the net profit column. So this is very use. This is one of the use of VLOOKUP. There are other uses as well, which will we see in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys.